Now we've got our database created, we need a couple of more things. Mainly the software for WordPress so we can install that onto our server. The other thing we're going to need is our FTP client again so that we can upload those files to our server. But let's get that software from WordPress first. We do that by heading over to wordpress.org and click on Install WordPress, and there we go. So you can do it automatically as we've done in prior videos, or as you've just seen, you can do it manually, just as easy, only a few more clicks of the mouse. And this is telling us right here, as I demonstrated by installing an earlier version, that you can also upgrade it from right here within the dashboard, and I'll cover that in an upcoming video along with a few other tidbits of information that I hope you like. Now we're going to install our WordPress network or multi-site feature using the subdomains. And I've already deleted and reinstalled WordPress. As you can see here, all this is brand new because, as I mentioned earlier, once you choose between the subdomain or the subdirectory feature, you cannot change your mind. So naturally, whenever we made the video on subdirectory, we had to wipe the slate clean to be able to install these subdomain networks. Now we've got our WordPress network set up using the subdomain. Now just a quick recap here, we've already purchased our domain name and we've purchased the hosting account, and in this example we're going to be going with HostGator. Most every single time, no matter what hosting service you're going with, this is going to be the basic scenario involved. Upon signing up, they're going to ask you for the domain name, or if you're going to be purchasing one through them at the time of registering for your service, for your hosting account. And then they will send you a email that is the important email, the one you're going to put away in your folder for that particular domain name. And on that email is going to be very important information, how you can change the DNS or the domain name servers from where your domain name resides currently, and if it's a brand new domain name, then it's probably still residing at the domain registrar site, and how you can change it over to your new hosting account. The purpose of this video is to help you understand the possible security holes in your WordPress site so you can take whatever steps you think are necessary to plug those holes. And my intention is not to scare you into never using WordPress. I mean, that would just be silly. Now, we've talked about posting your content. Now let's talk a little about the content you're going to post. In this video, I want to talk to you about our media library. Now, we've added audio, video, and images to our WordPress site, and where all of these items are stashed is your media library. Another thing I want to show you here inside of the media library is if we come on down here to one of the images and we want to edit the image. A lot of people aren't aware of the built-in image editor here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can customize your WordPress site's menu. Add to menu. Oh, and by the way, for all these items over here, you can customize them as far as the location where they're going to show up at by just left-click, hold, and dragging them around. And you can also customize it further. Hi, in this video I want to talk to you about the basic settings for your WordPress site. So let's head on over to our dashboard here, and this being our admin panel, there's a lot of information here for just about any aspect of your WordPress site. Today we're going to be talking about the settings section, and this brings us to the end of this sample video. Now, I hope these snippets of some of the videos in this course gives you a better idea of not just the content, but also the quality of the content. And please feel free to contact me with any questions you might have, whether it's before and or after your purchase. Thank you so much for checking out my offer, and you have a great day.